Hey, my friend, rituals and routines are the most powerful thing in life. They are the chains that either hold you down if you have bad habits, bad routines, or the chains that pull you up to the next level. If you have the good habits and good routines that I talked about, mostly in the Perfect Day Formula, but also in all the books, all the trainings, all the free videos that I do for you. So what I want you to understand right now is that it just takes a simple shift in your daily habits to become a super high performer. One of the most important things is doing the end of day ritual, okay? If you do the end of day ritual, it allows you to fall asleep very well, allows you to get to sleep on time, allows you to wake up early the next morning and crush your to-do list, okay? So the three things that we have people do a brain dump, a priority to-do list, and then they get ready to dominate the next day, all right? So if you're struggling, if you are stuck and struggling, you gotta put these little rituals and routines into place, okay? The more prepared you are the night before, the more you're gonna dominate your day. That is truth, my friend. The richest people in the world, the best negotiators, the best salespeople, the best actors, the best football teams, they are all the best prepared. Nobody is out there winging it. Nobody's making up your favorite Broadway play. Nobody's making up your favorite lines in your favorite movies. Nobody's making this stuff up as they go, and you can't either, all right? So get this stuff into play. And if you don't know how, drop me a comment below and I'll show you how that you can go and grow this year. Peace.